definitely got one that's interested. He's over on what I call Rock Top Ridge. Just gobbling his head off. He's responding to me. He knows I'm here. I'm gonna sit back, chill. And he is to the east of me. Actually got a couple to there he goes again. He's probably almost in the food plot with the big redneck in it. But I've also got some right up here to the north of me, so it's just a race. Let's see who can get here first and who wants to get shot first. So anyway, grab my stuff, it's time to go to work. Decided to come look at the damage on the trees to see if that was the case. Look at all my shot. I can see one of my wads there. I can see more shot has hit that next sapling. So I scraped this tree. I knew I had a clear shot right through here, but it definitely hit some saplings that were kind of not visible to my eye from back there. About a 30, it's probably closer to 40, probably right around 40-yard shot. Good old fiber stopped it right there. There you go, there's some more. Broke that limb pretty good. There's the wad down there on the ground. You can see the struggles of self-filming. I left half the stuff in the blind. Gotta carry all this back out. Time to go to work. I will be back after the turkeys tomorrow, hopefully with a different outcome. 2 close encounters with a turkey, big old longbeard, and a big old coyote. Wish I could have shot both, but that's how it goes. So Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you enjoyed about it. Let me know if you've ever missed a turkey with a shotgun. It happens. You hunt long enough, it's gonna happen. Well, good morning. Second day of the Missouri turkey season. I can tell it's starting to get daylight. But I was set up on a different spot this morning. A big oak tree. Hoping to intercept that bird that I missed yesterday if you roosted in the same spot. We got a bird gobbling off of all the points of these ridges on my property, so went ahead and got up and moved, walking the long way around. I'm gonna get up here into the candy shop plot. There's just been too much activity, even if it's not all morning activity. There's a lot of daytime activity there. If I can do some calling there, hopefully get him interested before I have to go to work, get him up in that field to come up and hopefully check out a couple hen decoys. Hopefully this one's not scared of them, but beautiful morning. Not as many gobbling this morning. It's a little bit warmer, 44. Actually a lot warmer than the 20 some odd degrees as of yesterday morning. So I'll get out here, get set up. Again, as you can tell, self-filming. There's turkey scratches. So, all right. We'll see if I can get it done today. We made it to the redneck soft-sided blind out here, and I think I made the right move. Lesson learned from yesterday. I've got the windows all cracked and unzipped where I barely have to unzip them, and I can fold them down enough to easily get a shot anywhere around me. He's actually answered to me a couple times. He's way kind of northeast of here, probably about 400 or 500 yards, but he is responding. But I don't know if he has hens or not, but my hopes is that he makes his way up that creek bottom. You hear him? I don't know if you heard him, but he got closer, and he'll hit this ridge top on Spy Point Ridge, come right into the candy shop plot here. Hopefully it's a different bird than yesterday, so he's not educated. He really wasn't educated yesterday. He stood off about 90 yards out in the woods and gobbled for half hour or more, so we'll see what happens. Not talking as much today, but we're just gonna plant it right here for the most part and see if we can call him in. Well, that sucks. Hear any gobbling? Because I don't. Pretty sure that bird that I was talking to, like I said, was every bit of 400 or 500 yards, but we're on these ridge tops, so you can hear him a distance. And he was talking to me. I think he was talking to somebody else as well. Big loud shot rang out from that direction. Just one. And no more gobbling. There's plenty of birds on this place, so it's just a matter of getting them into this field before 1 o'clock when we can't hunt anymore. So that's how it goes. Small land hunting. It's definitely not always the easiest, especially when all your neighbors hunt. Yes. It looks like a disaster zone. This dude was definitely hit in the head. And if I got a chance to shoot him multiple times, I'm going to shoot him multiple times. I think he was just dead and running, but he flogged himself to pieces. I mean, look at all the blood and the feathers. And I think I shot off some of his tail feathers when he was running, but I don't care. Gosh, the luck I've been having, this dude wasn't escaping. Yeah, gosh, he's a heavy bird. Jeez. He is heavy. Well, it definitely must be the year of the ugly bird for me. Replayed the footage, and clearly I was focused on one thing, and that was his head. And I just knew he wasn't going to leave strut. I didn't have a call, and so I didn't get him to raise his head, and I really wasn't worried about hitting him in the tail feathers, apparently. I was worried about hitting him in the head after yesterday's miss. I was so discouraged. I just wanted to bird down. And he was about 25 yards out or so. And after replaying the footage, I shot a little high. You know, that Longbeard XR can hold really tight, so a 25-yard shot, you better be dead on. And I was slightly high. I definitely hit him in the head, but you can tell, even in slow motion, it explodes a nice hole right there in his tail feathers. But nonetheless, awesome hunt. He actually ran off, and you could tell he was going to die because he was all hunkered up after he came back down and hit the ground. You can tell he was not going to go very far, but I had 2 more rounds in the shotgun, and I fired 2 more rounds, and he flopped over there and just flogged himself, and he is half plucked already. If I was gonna not just cut off his breast, he's half plucked. He's got some decent spurs on him, good beard. It's just a true blessing to be able to do this on my own property. It's a smaller property. It can be very hard to hunt, especially when other people are hunting around you. We're trying to build a habitat and really just make it where this is where the deer and the turkeys want to be, and we show you guys that in all our vlogs that we do throughout the whole summer and even into the deer season, really showing you how you can transform your own property to hopefully be able to do this. The candy shot plot, one of my favorite spots here on the hunting grounds, because we've put so much time and work into it, and it's paid off. Just to have a hunt like this morning, this bird came in beautifully, and I couldn't ask for anything more. I am truly blessed, and I don't know, it's just what I love to do. And whether this bird is beautiful in the end or not, it was a beautiful hunt, and it's what I live for. And God just blessed me with an awesome hunt this morning. Awesome hunt yesterday. Just rushed the shot when I probably shouldn't have shot, but I thought I had a clear shot. But today I was focused on one thing, and as you can tell, it wasn't the tail feathers. So if it was, the tail feathers would have been dead too. But I think I definitely hit him 2 of the 3 shots, and probably missed him the second shot. But beautiful bird, just really cool to do this on your own property. 3 years ago, you wouldn't have found a bird on this property. You got a hen traveling through every once in a while. The last 2 years, I've been able to harvest my own birds, and hopefully we'll be able to take another bird off of here for the end of the season. So, incredibly blessed, and just can't say enough. I've got a tom down here in the candy shot plot. So excited. So excited. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this hunt. Be sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Leave a comment down below and a thumbs up. It helps us out, and we appreciate every single one of you that take the time to do that and follow our show, because we love bringing it to you guys. It's a lot of work, but hopefully all these camera angles I haven't even looked at yet, and hopefully they all caught some cool stuff, and we have an awesome episode right here. So anyway, guys, until next time, have a better than average day. Hey, won't you take another ride on down to the hunting grounds? Won't you take a little ride on down to the hunting ground? Hey guys, if you want to see some more awesome hunts, be sure to click on subscribe. It's like up here in one of these corners. There's a lot of other turkey hunts and deer management and deer hunts that you want to see, so click on all these things around here.